Okay, Faulkner fixes all. Table update. All that machining. We'll see what's going on now. Okay, let's get your peepers in here. So, that actually is cast, and it's not my bearing. It's the actual wheel. It's got some up and down hop to it. But hey, it's a 100-year-old wheel probably. Anyway, so let's see what we got here. Yeah, so we machined that little end in the lathe, welded it on this lamp rod, drilled that 3/8 hole. That's not tacked on yet, but that's the leg. And we're gonna weld that solid. Put a washer here, which I haven't hogged out yet. It's one of these. I got to put it in the lathe and make it a little bigger on the ID, but it'll go there. And then that'll go there. That'll slide on there. Another washer I got to hog out will go over here. And this little set screw clamp I made will go there. Okay, so that'll be one wheel. Then, I know it's crazy, but we got to take a careful measurement on this axle. This is another one I made. And we got to clamp that in there temporarily. Take a very rough measurement about where to cut this. Then, once we cut that, we slide the wheel on. We slide the washers that are already made on. And we weld this piece to the trimmed piece there. Right? And then once it's all together, and this rod's on here, with this wheel on it, there's the other one. You can visualize, we'll just pretend that's trimmed and on there, but it'll be all on there, and then the washers will be snugged up, these will be snugged up, this will be welded on, and the whole thing about this system is, when you need to grease this wheel, you undo that, slide that back, slide this back, slide that back, and then you can put grease here. And it'll all be welded in, but you'll be able to move the wheels to a smaller area and put some grease on there, and then move the wheel back and put the set back on. Yeah, it's way overkill, but this is how I'd want it. You know, if you were wheeling this big table around, you'd want to be able to grease it. It's way overkill. Okay, table update. Still sanding on this. Okay, the only channel that matters.